What's up guys, it's your boy Shadain here, coming to you guys with another video. Now today's video, I'll be talking about the Fifine K688. It's a dynamic microphone that has some really nice features that will help you out in your studio or probably your house, your home studio that is probably too noisy for your own good. It's noisy, your environment's noisy, and you need something that can isolate the voice of you talking when recording or doing voiceovers. Now this is probably something that you'll need or something that can help you out in these situations. But no further ado, let's get to it, guys. Alright guys, we are back with this video. Now the first thing we'll be talking about is some of the features of this microphone. Now the first thing is the shock mount arm. It comes with a shock mount already mounted to the microphone, which helps in the vibrations that this microphone sometimes get when mounted to a shock mount arm or anything like that. So once you get the microphone, it already has it, and it also comes with a screw that you can already attach to your own installation system. You don't have to set it up in any way. Now it also comes with a touch sensitive on mute and on mute switch on the top of the microphone, which is really good for just touching. I mean, if you're holding onto it, you might accidentally touch it, but in that scenario, I don't think you will, because I don't think you'll be grabbing onto the microphone. If you are, then yes, it will activate. Now it also comes with two switches on the back, a microphone jack, or headphone jack, sorry, and it also comes with a USB Type-C port. The USB Type-C port, it helps you connect the headset to your computer, and it also comes with the XLR input port as well. Now this microphone is lightweight, and those switches that it has, which is the gain and the volume for the headset, which is really nice. And the gain is really nice to move. It doesn't have a hard tactile feeling. It's just smooth and easy to basically turn from left to right, which I like, versus the Blue Yeti that had a tactile turn, sometimes be super hard to move, and I think that was one of my gripes with the Blue Yeti. It was so hard to move it from left to right, and so therefore it would basically, if you wanted to change on the fly or increase the volume or increase the gain of the headset or the microphone, sorry, it will basically, you'll be hearing that you are basically trying to turn the volume up. You'll be basically hearing that movement on the microphone, which is kind of suck if you're recording and you're just trying to increase that gain just to make you a little bit louder. Now also, the microphone is very lightweight, and I like that about it. It's not too heavy like the Blue Yeti, but it feels really heavy and sturdy, versus this one, it's more lightweight and it looks premium, just how it looks. It doesn't look cheap, and the material, I think, I'm not sure if it's metal or plastic. Could be plastic, but I would have to do some more research on that to see if it's metal or plastic, but it does feel like metal to me. Now, other from that, the sound. Going over the sound, it sounds really good. One thing, it doesn't isolate the audio as much as I think it would. I think it does make you sound a lot fuller versus the Blue Yeti, and it does eliminate some of the background noise, but I expected it to be really good, but now it's probably 30% more than the Blue Yeti. It probably eliminates 30% to 35% more background noise, so you do definitely hear isolation in the background noise. The background noise does sound less than the Blue Yeti. It lessens way more. And I'm using this on the USB end, not the XLR input, and I've heard persons say the XLR input is way better with noise cancellation. So I've yet to test it out. Whenever I test it out, I'll definitely give you guys a more in-depth review on the difference between the USB and the XLR input. But other from that, the microphone sounds really good. I think you could probably get away with the isolation with a software, and just by messing with the noise gates and probably the noise suppression, you could probably get away with making the sound of this microphone a lot more noise isolated versus like the Blue Yeti. So I think this microphone is definitely better when it comes on to the noise cancellation or noise suppression, I should say, from the background noises, probably kids, probably loud noises, or anything that is happening in the background. This will lessen that sound and make you sound a lot more louder in your recording. So I think I would definitely recommend something like this for people who are looking for that. I mean, it is not the greatest when it comes on to that feature, but I think it's way better in my opinion versus my other microphones. You probably could get something better than this, but I think you would have to spend a lot more to get a better sounding microphone. But that's basically my first impressions on this microphone. If you guys liked this video, leave a like and a subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. But that's it for today's video. See you guys.